Hello everyone, we have another property for sale. This one guys, to the coconut, anang may saging. So that banana trees up to the kuan, katong balde no?
Balde.
Oh. You see the kuan, kining
mga kahoy diya.
oh, Gemmelina tree. It's a big wide frontage. The size is 6,000 plus 1.3 hectares. So 6,000 square meters and 1.3 hectares. Adjacent. Brothers and sisters is the owner. Then they will sell at 600 pesos per square meter. Yeah, umingon tag negotiable later na lang siguro kay we do not know if I know it's still negotiable. Asking price mga guys. So this is ideal for residential and commercial, located here in Barangay San Vicente, Sagbayan, Bohol. Approximately 30 minutes drive from Tubigon, Bohol, Seaport, malls. Then few minutes from the center of Sagbayan. Then to Chocolate Hills, approximately 30 minutes drive from Chocolate Hills. Then to Tagbilaran City, it's around more or less 1 hour or less than 1 hour. So, guys. Flat terrain. So flat terrain, no? Paingon dito sa akatong kahoy tama, no?
O kana mga kahoy diya istritong na i-transco dapat.
Okay. So at least wala masulod sa Transco. So kini guys, if you build a house, no, pwede nimo ihanging. You can hanging or you can fill up. So pwede man to i-down tong uban dito.
Habog na diya. Kay
habog man, no. So wala pod siya actually this is almost adjacent of the cemetery. Dool cementerio.
Dool gamay layo.
Near. Almost near, no. Ang klarohon kay by the way, this is Mr. Nino Humawas Katurusa, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. So this is the property guys. Nindot kayo, no? Kapatag. Ang karsada medyo nasa taas gamay. So a little bit higher. So konti lang.